So the thing, you can scoot that right leg out to the side, hands can come down to the ground, a block. If you've got a lot of flexibility, you can come down onto your forearms as well. On our inhale, we are going to take the right leg, rotate the leg out to the side, but we want to make sure that foot stays down on the ground. We're not rolling to the outside. Exhale, bring that leg back in, push that right knee into your right elbow, legs thinking in towards each other. Good. Inhale, let it rotate out towards the side. Exhale. Inhale, open. Right leg's going out, left knee's going back. And then as we exhale, you'll feel pubic bone, belly button, gentle lift up. What's different from side to side? Got 2 more here. Nice job. Last one. Exhale, bring it back in. Nice. Let's step that leg back. Now